Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. Go ahead by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also make sure you hit the notification bell to see each time I upload a video. So today we are going to be doing the crisscross applesauce rubber band hairstyle. I did a little bit, just to get me through my week. I was like, let me just go ahead and do this hairstyle. This hairstyle is not new to us. Like, we're revisiting. This was a childhood hairstyle that I honestly hated, and now here I am wearing it in public. So if you want to see how I got this hairstyle, definitely stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I'm just starting out on some dirty hair. I literally took my faux locks out and my hair was kind of in that blowout stage. So I was like, let me just stretch this hair, throw some water on it, comb it through, and we're going to do this style just to get me through the week until I'm actually ready to wash my hair. So that is what I did, and all I'm going to be using for my hair is this Shine and Jam, the Out of Hair Care shea butter. I always get that wrong. For the twist part, and just some rubber bands that I coated in some oil. So right now I'm just going to set up and structure the hair as neat as possible. You already know, if you've been here before, I don't care too much about parts unless it's my little middle part, and sometimes I don't even care about that. So that's on that. So I'm trying to figure out parting on my hair, and once I figure all that out, I'm just going to twist it and put everything back and start. Now typically you will want to create parts where you can do 4 squares for your entire head, well, the entire front part of your head. Honey, I started out doing that, and then I just did my own thing. Like, I literally did my own thing. I have not done my hair like this since I was in high school, and I would say that was probably like 2010, 2011, the last time like I did this crisscross rubber band thing. But yeah, I did not do it the traditional way. I just started parting my hair in different little sections, and then I just kind of crisscrossed them once I was done. And I had all kind of little crisscross applesauce, all over the head. So it just made the style really cute. It didn't make it like super boxy. It was kind of like a little freestyle in a way. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. But yeah, that's all I did, guys.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Deep, dip me underway. You can fill my mind with love. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Once I get everything in the front done, I'm just going to be twisting each piece, just 2-strand twisting it, and then I'm gonna start just 2-strand twisting the back of my head. Y'all, I was call myself trying to watch The Walking Dead because that is my show, and I was not about to miss, okay? So I'm trying to film and watch The Walking Dead. A part just came up, and honey, it just scared the crap out of me, and I just was not ready for that part, clearly, like, Jesus, honey. But anyways, yeah, I'm just going to be twisting the hair, y'all, and that's pretty much it. Alright, you guys, so this is the takedown day. Like, it's literally been, well, 3 days since I did this style, and I just had some technical difficulties with my freaking laptop. So we are here. We're here. Can y'all see me? Are we upright? We're here. Okay, so I'm just gonna take it down. I try to do my edges. I'm just ready for cold weather because my edges cannot thrive without it being super cold outside. So I think I'm gonna leave these twists in for tonight. I'm just gonna take down the back, but I've been wearing this style for like a couple days, and I do like this. It's really nice to keep my hands, you know, out of my head as much when you don't have to do nothing but like the back half of your head. So we're just gonna take it down. I don't have any like oil I'm gonna use today. Literally, like, my hair is full of the product that I use, so I'm just gonna do that. So all I'm doing is literally unraveling the twist, and you can style this any way you like. You can wear it completely down and unravel all the twists. Like, it gives you a really full look, and it really looks nice. You can do a half up, half down. I think I'm gonna do that Friday. I haven't done that yet. And you can do like excuse me, a ponytail. Oh, I did take one out. There's one. You can do like a ponytail bun, you know, some space buns. You can really make the style your style, okay? So we're just unraveling. Y'all, my color looks so good. I refreshed my color, and I just used the Cajun spice to refresh it. I didn't mix it in with I can't think of the other color. It's like this red color. I didn't mix those together this time, and my orange is just popping. We are giving ginger, okay? But I am missing like my actual color. I want to do different styles. Like, I really want a U-part wig, and I was finding a U-part wig that looks like my hair. Like, it's not impossible, but it's gonna take a minute. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get her a U-part wig that's the same color as my roots, and I'm just going to use like the spray dye to paint my leave out. It'll work. So that's what we're going to do. All right, so the hair is almost taken. I got one last one in the back, and then I'm gonna let these fall to kind of give you guys an idea, you know, of what you can do. Leave you over there. And I think it's so cute, the little crisscross rubber band style. Like, you know, this style has been here for years. Like, I remember having this style in like the 1st and 2nd grade. Like, ain't that new, but it's just a nice little revisit, you know. Everybody's on it, and I love it because literally that's what we wore as kids. I'm gonna take some of them out. Do I want to show y'all like the full? Okay, I'm gonna take some of them down just to show you how full you can get it. Let's do that one. And this one. So like literally, yeah, this is how full it can get. You can like really pick it out and throw it out. Like, it's a really cute style. So if you have not, definitely like try it. You can add like some cute rubber bands. You can add some like the hair jewelry. You can add some beads. You can add some braid. Like, you can really amp up this style. That's why I like it so much. It doesn't take that long to do like the rubber band part, but it does take some time. So that's all I have for y'all. Like, this is it. This is all I have. If you have not subscribed to my channel as of now, not sure what you're waiting on, go ahead and join my little family. Like, we are growing. Like, I'm so happy about this. We are growing. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome to this channel. Like, thank you for subscribing. Like, I don't know, like, it's kind of weird. I'm thinking it's coming from TikTok. Like, if you're from TikTok, definitely let me know, because it's just like been subscribers like crazy out of nowhere. But as always, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video.